To set up the Wi-Fi, tap Keypad from the list on the carousel menu. Tap Command until menu shows up, then tap Yes. Enter your user code. Tap Command until Wi-Fi setup is displayed, then tap the Select area. There are 3 ways to connect your system to Wi-Fi: WPS, List, and Manual. For WPS, press the WPS button on your router. On your keypad, tap WPS, and the keypad will start pairing. When finished, the keypad will say Connected. For List, tap List on the keypad. The keypad will begin searching for all available Wi-Fi connections. Tap Command to see which ones are available. Once you've found your desired network, tap the Select area. Enter your password, then tap Command. The keypad will begin connecting, then say Connected when finished. For Manual, tap Manual on the keypad. Type in the name of the Wi-Fi network, then tap Command. Once the network is found, enter your Wi-Fi password. Press Command, and your keypad will begin connecting. When finished, the keypad will say Connected. Your system is now connected to a Wi-Fi network.